5 years na pero umaasa pa rin ako sa taong nagpakasal sa iba. I was once engaged. Di natuloy kasi nakabuntis siya sa Saudi and he had to marry the girl kasi alam niyo na. My last memory of him was when he called me crying, just blankly staring at me, not saying a word. That was the day he found out na nakunan yung wife niya a week after they got married. Ang sakit makita yung taong mahal mo, umiiyak pero hindi mo na siya pwedeng yakapin. Alam kong tanga ako, pero dahil sa tawag na yun, 5 taon na ang lumipas and I'm still waiting. Umaasa pa rin ako na isang araw magme-message siya ulit. Never had a boyfriend since we broke up. Grabe ang tanga ko, no? I need advice.